3 consecutive verbs? Let's say you're in an interview and the interviewer leans forward and says, "I want to get to know you better." In this context, which is the verb, my initial reaction is 1. Auxiliary verb to get, main verb to know, modal verb.
A sentence requires a subject and a predicate. A predicate is a verb plus whatever other elements make up a verb phrase. In this case, the subject, clearly, is I, while the predicate is a verb describing the state or action of the subject. In this case, that is want, in a transitive capacity. Everything after that is a direct object of want, a noun in effect, which can be replaced by a pronoun. In other words, the sentence can be reduced to I wanted. The verb phrase itself contains 2 additional verb phrases, with the verb that is serving the subject as want.
I want to get to know you better. There are 3 non-auxiliary verbs, so there are 3 clauses. Want is the present tense verb of the main clause, get is the untensed verb of the infinitive complement clause that's the object of want, know is the untensed verb of the infinitive complement clause that's the object of get. As for the rest, I is the subject of the main clause, you is the object of know, better is an adverb modifying one of the clauses, both occurrences of 2 are complementizers that introduce the infinitive verb phrases. Edit, all clauses have predicates, and in these clauses the verbs are the predicates. Predicate is a logical term, logically, the predication structure of the sentence above. Without better, which is semantically complex, ambiguous, and irrelevant, looks like this. Want, I, get, I, know, I, you. Get is used here in its idiomatic sense of come to be, become.
No, there is no auxiliary or modal verb, they are all lexical verbs. Want is the main clause verb. The other 2 verbs, get and know, head subordinate non-finite clauses embedded within the main clause. I want to get to know you better. I would treat your example as a catenated construction. The term catenated is derived from the Latin word for chain, but the construction is repeatable in a way that enables us to form a chain of verbs in which all except the last have a non-finite complement. Your example then comprises a main clause, the whole sentence, which contains 2 subordinate non-finite clauses, bracketed, functioning as catenated complements. To get to know you better equals catenated complement of want. To know you better equals catenated complement of get. The only direct object is you, it's the object of know, and the adverb better is a degree adjunct modifying know.
If you want to support the channel,